Hi, Miss Francisco and everyone in your fourth grade class at the First Avenue School. Thank you so much for all of your wonderful questions. And I'm going to start by answering Mariel, who wanted to know if I had any advice for anyone who wants to break into the business. And what I can tell you, Mariel, is that you just have to do what you love. Make sure you read the newspaper. And if you really want to get into journalism, my advice to you is to study it in college. Take a lot of internships while you're in college. Make sure you kind of make some contacts, get to know people, and then when you graduate, you hit the ground running. Take any job that you think will help you further your career. For instance, I'm on the air, and my best piece of advice is that you have to do what it is you want to do in the end. So if you want to be in front of the camera, then you have to do that from the beginning. And sometimes that involves moving or leaving home for a while to work at a station where you can get that experience, but that's what you need in order to break into this business. So go out there and get some experience and knock them dead, Mariel.